हेलो एवरीवन, माई सेल्फ पंकज। वेलकम टू बीइंग फिश को। और आज के इस वीडियो में हम लोग बात करेंगे इम्पॉर्टेंट डेट्स, ईयर्स एंड इम्पॉर्टेंट साइंटिस्ट रिलेटेड टू फिशरीज साइंस, जो कि आपके जेआरएफ के एग्ज़ाम के लिए और अदर कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्ज़ाम जिसमें कि फिशरीज साइंस से रिलेटेड क्वेश्चंस आते हैं उन सब के लिए बहुत ही यूज़फुल है। चलिए शुरू करते हैं। और अगर आप इस चैनल पर नए हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिएगा, क्योंकि मैं इस पर फिशरीज साइंस से रिलेटेड सारे अपडेट्स और सारे वीडियोज़ बनाता रहता हूँ। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। First, in 1983, PCR process, full form of PCR is polymerase chain reaction. It was discovered by Carrie B. Mullis. Next, in 1952, Tilapia mozambica, also known as Mozambique tilapia, was introduced in India. Then next, in 1994, white spot syndrome virus invaded India and affected giant tiger prawn, that is Penaeus monodon. In 1934, first hypophytation technique or induced breeding technique was introduced in Brazil. In 1985, first ever transgenic fish was produced. In 1911, linkage technique was developed by Morgan. In 1991, Coastal Regulation Zone Act was passed. 10th of July is also celebrated as International Fish Farmers Day. In 1906, brown trout was introduced in India. In 1957, induced breeding, first ever induced breeding in India was done in 1957 by Professor Hiralal Chaudhary and Ali Kuni. Professor Hiralal Chaudhary performed his experiment on Isomys tanricus. In 1962, artificial breeding of silver carp was done. Scientific name of silver carp is Hypophthalmictis mollictis. 1959, silver carp introduced in India. 1939, Chinese carp introduced in India. In 1939, mirror carp is introduced in India. 1902, W.S. Sutton gave hypothesis of chromosome. 21st of November also celebrated as World Fisheries Day. Very important question. 21st of November also celebrated as World Fisheries Day. 1820, Waverian ossicle, its functions was introduced by Weaver. Scientist name is Weaver and introduced the function of Waverian ossicle. 1998, International Year of Ocean. 1865, Secchi disk was discovered by Secchi. In 1935, A.G. Tansley coined the term ecosystem. In 1866, Ernest Haeckel coined the term ecology, and father of ecology is E. Odum. In 1927, ecological pyramid given by Charles Elton. In 1887, Victor Hansen coined the term plankton. In 1890, Ernest Haeckel coined the term nekton. In 1891, Ernest Haeckel coined the term benthos. In 1970, pathogen, environment and host relationship given by Mayer and Wedmeyer. In 1803, cloud classification given by Luke Howard. 1967, estuary definition given by Pritchard. 1964, National Demonstration Project. Then 1974, Operational Research Project. In 1974, Krishi Vigyan Kendra was established. 1979, Lab to Land Program. 1986 to 87, Manage. 1947, Grow More Food Campaign. In 1928, Royal Commission on Agriculture presented. In 1989, Fishery Survey of India was established. In 1961, CIFE Mumbai was established. CIFE, Central Institute for Fisheries Education. 1947, CIFRS, Central Inland Fisheries Research Station was established at Kolkata, West Bengal. In 1959, its building shifted to Barakpur, West Bengal, and now it is called as Central Inland Fisheries Research Institute. 1947, CMFRI, Central Marine Fisheries Research Institute in Kochi, Kerala. It was established in 1947. 1963, CIFNet, Kochi, Kerala. In 1957, CIFT, Kochi, Kerala. 1987, CIFA, Bhubaneswar, Odisha. 1987, SIBA, Chennai, Tamil Nadu. In 1983, NBFGR at Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh. 1987, DCFR, Directorate of Cold Water Fishery Research at Bhimtal, Uttarakhand. 2006, NFDB, Hyderabad. 1929, ICR was established. 2019 Ministry of Fisheries, Animal Husbandry and Dairying was formed. 2005 Coastal Aquaculture Authority Act. 1810 tin canister developed by Peter Durand. 1982 NABARD was established. 1995 World Trade Organization was established. 1972 MPEDA was established. 1936 Scott Giff, pioneer of water activity. 1994 Amendment of Irradiated Food Product Act was passed. In 1874 Shriver gave pressure retort in canning. In 1986 Environment Protection Act. 1927 Indian Forestry Act. 2002 Biological Diversity Act. 1972 Wildlife Protection Act. 1974 Water Act. 1980 Forest Conservation Act. 1985 to 1990 it was 7th 5-year plan, and in this blue revolution in India was introduced, and it father of blue revolution in India is Professor Hiralal Chaudhary. 1897 Indian Fisheries Act, very important, 1897 Indian Fisheries Act. 1968 first FRP boat was introduced. 1878 first steel vessel. 1958 according to Merchant Shipping Act of 1958 maritime rules was given. 1969 Merchant Shipping Act firefighting appliances rules was given. 1978 Merchant Shipping Act life saving appliances rules were given. In 1958 Merchant Shipping Act was formed. 1967 testing of anchor according to Anchor and Chain Casting Act. 1950 V-shaped outer board was discovered. In 1940 stern trawling. 1963 tuna long line in India. 1952 integrated fisheries project. 1971 pelagic fisheries project. 1984 DNA fingerprinting by Alec Jeffrey. 1982 UNCLOS United Nations Convention on the Law of Sea was signed in 1982, and 1994 it came into force. UNCLOS came into force in 1994. Then we'll also discuss father of Indian fisheries Vishwa Gopal Jingran, father of blue revolution in India Professor Hiralal Chaudhary, grandfather of fisheries population dynamics Baranov, father of induced breeding Professor Hiralal Chaudhary, father of Chang fisheries is James Hornell. Okay, that's all for this video. Thank you all for listening. Don't forget to share and subscribe and keep sharing the video. और अगर आप नए हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिएगा. ठीक है, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. टिल देन स्टे सेफ.